to watch dolphins.
Squeak, squeak, whistle, whistle. What is noise?
Oh, it's the dolphins talking to each other. They talk to each other by using squeak and whistle, and they all have their own special baby calls that they use to help their mother find them if they get lost.
So, yes, isn't that cool? Dolphins are the world's smartest animals. Of course, after the humans, who are also animals. So, because dolphins uses all the smarty tools like social networking, creativity, and communication. Their brains are nearly as large as our brains. They use sounds to talk, like squeak, squeak, whistle, whistle. They can do sports like the acrobatic leaps. Another fun fact about dolphins. Do you know? Dolphins are not really fish, they are mammals. Like other mammals, they also breathe air. So dolphins, they have lungs to breathe. Other fish, they have gills to make possible breathe underwater. So dolphin has a blowhole windpipe to get the air in and out of its lungs. It must come out to water's surface to breathe air. Similarly, whales are also mammals and they breathe air through blowhole. And yes, so whales are the world's largest animal. The blue whale, it is the world's largest animal. It is the largest species that can grow up to a length of a basketball court. Its heart is as big as a compact car. So sometimes when dolphins or whales they breathe, they actually make spray of water. What more are the few more intelligent animals? So the scientists say that the octopus, they are the smartest spineless creature. They can open a jar to get a tasty fish. How does the octopus manage so that its legs do not get tangled with each other like noodles or like spaghetti? Let me give you the answer. With our 2 arms, 2 legs and a dozen joints, humans have it easy when it comes to telling limb to limb. The octopus, on the other hand, has a much more complicated body plan. Its 8 boneless arms can form joints at any point, bending in all directions, like crooked spaghetti noodles. Answer to this undersea wonders foolproof system to keep their limbs straight is smart legs. Each of the octopus's 8 arms has a mind of its own, a network of roughly 4 lakh neurons that control the arms without input from the animal's main brain. These microbrains help the arms work together rather than clump together. Also, sucker-proof skin. Octopus skin excretes a special chemical. When the suckers brush against the creature's other arms, they sense the chemical and automatically avoid latching on. The octopus can override this reflex if it wants to. Scientists think octopuses also rely on these chemicals to detect and identify each other. Isn't this an awesome fact? As we have seen in one more Dive into Pooja's Books videos, that octopuses are one of the smartest spineless creature. Now you know they have 9 brains, 8 in their own arms and 1 main brain. Your chance. Elephants, they are also very clever. They can paint a picture if provided with few art supplies. Nightingales are known to be the smartest birds. They can learn up to 60 songs in their life. Even crows are very clever. They can use tools to open the nuts.